up, YouTube? Hillbilly here with Hillbilly Assassins Outdoors. Guess what time it is again? Another mystery tackle box unboxing. So let's get this thing started. This looks like it's going to be a good box. I've been waiting for this one. Alright, let's get started here. We'll start from the bottom. Got a tungsten whole shot. Hot shot from Mr. Finesse. Looks like we got some tungsten split shots here. Never seen these before. Let's open these up and check them out. It's one like mystery tackle box. You get crazy stuff you've never seen. Oh, okay. It's interesting. It's nice. I don't know how well you can see here, but it's just a round split shot made out of tungsten. These are it doesn't say how heavy they are. These are 3/4 split shots. It's got a little picture on the back here. It shows you how to rig them out. You don't squish them. Guess you just twist them around. Can't wait to try them out. Those retail for $2.70 for 2. Next thing we got is a finesse worm. Looks like they're a green pumpkin. Oh, watermelon seed. 6-inch finesse worm. Really nice. Like always, they're scented. Flat on one side. Just be high floating too. It's always good. Get a good Texas rig on this. Try out them drop shotting. Alright. Definitely be using these here in the next day or two. Alright. Bed Jamma Mamma by Yum. The finesse worms retail for $178 for a 5-pack, retail $4.99 for a 14-pack. And this is a 10-pack. Looks like a swim bait setup. Dual tails. Nice. Color is called black and red flake. It's always a good color. They're scented. They retail for $3.49. This one flipping went down. Even trailers maybe. Alright, let's get to the next one. Flippin' mango jig. Cold lures. Right here. It's 3/8 ounce 5/0 flipping hook. Check them out. Nice sharp hook. Looks like it's a green watermelon. Just got into flipping these. I really like them. Doing pretty good. Can't wait to get that one out and try it. Don't know what it is with the toothpicks in here, but have to look into that and figure those out. That retails for $3.89. This one I've been waiting for since I got my bait ball lure last video. This is the Jointed Sea Monster 2 by Strike Pro. Right here. Basically a popper. Get this bad boy out. Check him out. Oh, whoa. Okay, it's a jointed popper. It goes in and out and side to side movement. Almost reminds me of my musky lures. It's nice, got good sticky hooks. Got some noise to him. He's got vents on the side here. It looks like it'll throw water out. Can't wait to use that guy. This is neat. That one retails for $9.89. So always our Dibble Digest. That guy's hilarious. Best part of the box, the awesome sticker. And Match the Hatch. Sponsors this time. Hurag, 13, Strike King, and Smith. See if we get anything. For our prize is a Hurag bandana. Crawdad, bobber, worm, KVD, and a worm. Not a winner, but like always, got some great stuff in my box this time around, which means I win. That's it for the mystery tackle box unboxing. Like always, subscribe to our channel, like and join us on Facebook. Till next time, keep your worm wet and your feet dry. Thank you for watching.